Building credit with fitness and finance. All right, welcome here. I have special guest and friend James Wilhite. I hired James a little while back ago to help me build both my personal credit and my business credit. So James, what can you share with us today on some basic tips on how we can build our credit?
Yeah, so a couple things. Keep your balances under 10% on your all credit cards that you have. And then also open up some credit building accounts like Self.Inc. or Credit Strong, which I have some affiliate links you could use. Those are going to help raise your score. More positive payment history, lower balances.
Those are some great tips, great tips.
Yeah.
So James is offering a complimentary consultation, whether it's for the business or personal. So if you want to reach out to him, just reach out to the information below, connect with us in any kind of way. Thank you for being here, building your credit.